It's essential to have the right chemicals for your pool so that you can properly keep and maintain it. Now, I've noticed through the years I've always had trouble with certain things, and one of which is trying to keep the pool clean all the time. So here are some of my recommendations to keep your pool clean on a regular basis, and make sure that you do not run into that time where you walk outside and you look and your pool is green. It's happened to me before, but this is actually the first summer that it didn't actually happen, and I'll tell you why. Because I've used the right products, and that will make all the difference in the world. So let me show you some of those products real quick here. This right here is AquaChek. Now, this I use on a regular basis. In fact, I check the water every day. So it comes with a certain amount in here that you can take out, run this in the water, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to match that up to the back here. And that will kind of help determine where you're at with your alkalinity, chlorine, things of that sort. So this I've had for a while. This is going to last you quite a while if it's something that you want to do, you know, all summer, depending what state you live in. I live in Michigan, so it's a very seasonal state. So I'm not going to be using this that much, but I will be using this all summer long. So this is definitely something I would recommend. When it comes to keeping up with the alkalinity of the pool, this pure baking soda is definitely one that I've used. And again, this is something that I would go ahead and add and keep around on a shelf. So I keep all my pool stuff together. So this happens to be one of those items that is a necessity to keep around. And if the alkalinity is not where I want it to be, then this is definitely something I would add to it, this pure baking soda here. One of my other tried and true trusted things is this right here. This is Clorox Pool Shock XtraBlue. Now you notice it's a 6-in-1 formula, so it does quite a bit here. And what I find interesting about it is it's even swim ready in 15 minutes. That's pretty amazing for a shock product as this is. And again, kill swim prevents algae and bacteria and things of that sort. But this is definitely one that I keep on the shelf, a necessity. And then the last thing I want to show you here is my POOLIFE tablets. Now these are 3-inch tablets, and I like to keep these around because instead of using liquid chlorine, I'll take these tablets, just as so, put it inside here, let it run around the pool, and basically instead of using liquid chlorine, which could, you know, essentially evaporate pretty quick, even if using stabilizer for a certain amount of time, your tablets are going to last you a lot longer. Now you may pay a little bit more for tablets, but I do like the idea that it will last me a lot longer. And it, again, I'm just letting it kind of go around the pool. So go to the description box where you can find any one of those items, and I'll see you in the next video.